In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app code files by Google developer. This one. When it's ready, open it, hit continue, select the gray switcher next to allow permission and tap on those three lines at the top left corner. Following that, select clean, hit clean next to junk files, and confirm your choice by selecting clear in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!